Shia militias mount an assault on ISIL fighters north of Ramadi. There's been sporadic fighting since the operation began on Tuesday as both sides prepare to battle for Ramadi. Iraqi security forces are trying to take control of roads into towns and villages held by ISIL. They're also using shelling to target ISIL fighters and cut off their main supply lines. Once the towns and villages are secured, then the push to Ramadi will begin.
Our aim is to meet our forces from other fronts. Operations are exclusively shelling and advancing toward ISIL hideouts.
However, a writer on Iraqi military strategy says the Iraqi army tactics against ISIL are failing because they can't prevent suicide car bombings.
The Iraqi security forces lack the intelligence and the reconnaissance to prevent the attacks before they happen. And also, the vehicles that ISIL use are heavily armored. The weapons the army use can sometimes be ineffective.
Despite that, the operation goes on. This is the major supply line to Anbar province for Iraq's security forces. It's used by both military and civilian contractors. Military operations in Anbar could come to a standstill if ISIL ever managed to close this highway. Surrounding Baghdad, you see these. They're called defense lines. Now, in many ways, it's a very apt title because it's the last line of defense before the capital itself. After here, you get the headquarters of the 24th Brigade. They're in charge of reinforcements and logistics. Now, keeping the road open between here and Anbar province and keeping the military supplied is crucial. But equally crucial is how to deal with the car bombs ISIL is increasingly using. Adapting to new threats is an important part of warfare, but it appears that's something the Iraqi security forces have yet to learn. Imran Khan, Al Jazeera, Baghdad.